Attention painters, are you tired of smudging your wet painting? Are your hands covered in paint? Are you constantly slipping while creating all those great details and edges? Yikes, that's so frustrating. Stop! It's time to get control. Introducing the Maalstock, brought to you by the Academy. The quick and easy way to successfully rest your hand above the canvas. Just load up your brush with paint. Hold one end of the Maalstock in your opposite hand. Rest the other end on your canvas or easel. Gently place your painting hand on the hovering stick. And like magic, your hand will not come close to that wet painting. It's that easy. The Maalstock gets its super strength from that hand-selected pine, which is patented space-age technology found right here on Earth. Go ahead, give it a bend. It's not budging. Yet it's perfectly balanced and a breeze to wield. So just grab, rest, and paint. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Got a nervous hand that just can't get those details? Now you can stabilize your hand to produce masterful brushwork. A perfect painting every time. The Maalstock isn't just limited for canvas. It can also be used on your charcoal drawings and your pencil drawings too. No more strange or unusual suspension systems. With the Maalstock, you always have that stable bridge you've been looking for. Approved by the Academy itself, and it is used by all of its members.
Michael, I would like to do the order information at the end of the video.
You betcha. The Maalstock comes in endless variations to choose from, ranging in different thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and you can choose from 3 different set lengths: travel, studio, and deluxe. Finally, there's a multitude of diverse ways you can secure your Maalstock to your painting and/or easel. From skateboard tape to a hook hanger that's not moving. The tennis champ. Felt goes a long way, to the addition of using a separate clip as a catch-all. Feel the confidence. It's so straightforward, even a dog could use it. How about that? So stop ruining your priceless works of art and finish like the pros. If you order during this special TV-only introductory offer, we will throw in the How-To Maalstock instructional VHS videotape with over 4 hours of expert trainings. This package is normally 3 easy installments of $49.95. But if you order now, you can receive all of this for just $9.95. What's that? There's more. If you order right now, you will also get the risk-free 90-day money-back guarantee. All of this for just $9.95. This is a limited time offer. Order now.
To order your Maalstock for just $9.95, have your credit card ready and call 1555 the Mahl. That's 1555 the Mahl. Or send a check or money order to the address seen on your screen. So don't delay. Call 1555 the Mahl and order your Maalstock today. Call now. Oh, okay, fine.